Good day to you guys. Coming on here because since I made the last video, I had this in mind to show you guys exactly how far the car wash from the terminal is. And since I have family member landing today to JFK, there's no better time to go now and show you guys exactly how far it is from the car wash to the terminal. Not only the car wash, but you also have things to do there, to eat, wash your car, and put gas, plenty of parking spot. And seem to be like an issue where a lot of people are standing on the side of the road, and Homeland Security is and the police is always moving you, and rather being in a dangerous place on the side of the road, you could just actually head over there, and whenever your family member lands, you could actually just go and pick them up once they're outside the terminal waiting for you by the curbside. So I'll see you in a little bit. So guys, I'm gonna show you from the car wash how close the airport is. So all the things to do right here. I should make a U-turn here. So I'm waiting to pick up somebody right now. Just wanted to show you guys all this parking here. Plenty of stuff to do. See, that's when you drive straight and you find all the terminals. Let me stand right here because I have to wait for the person to call me so I can go pick them up. Stand right here for a little bit while they're about to land. Back up over here, and I'll be back. Okay, so they just landed. So I'm gonna drive off over here, show you guys how close the terminal is from here. Literally a traffic light, you're already in there. So I just left the car wash gas station, JFK Plaza. Show you how fast we're gonna get to the terminal. Even though JFK right now is under a lot of construction, you may want to try to get here at a decent time. So you see what the sign says on the right side. Apology for any inconvenience as we are building a whole new JFK. See? Terminals 4, 5, 7, 8. Little stop sign here. See that person? He's waiting on the side of the road. In maybe 3 minutes, the Homeland and Port Authority is going to be moving him, when you could just sit back there by the 7-Eleven and the gas station, the car wash, and do all those things, and you don't have to be moving. They're gonna be moving that gentleman really soon. We're right here already in the airport. The right side, you can see all the terminals. Just make a left right here. See JetBlue main headquarters. Make a right here. That's it. We're in the terminal. That's the point I wanted to get across with this video. I felt like I needed to do a second one, show you guys the drive-in to the terminal. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. This is what happens if you're standing by the airport and Homeland comes. This is the price you're gonna pay.